All right, Grant, we are scattered across the state, but here in the Bay Area, one of our hardest hit counties from the hurricane is Sarasota.
Yeah, 10 Tampa Bay's Miranda Parnell shares the damage done in Venice.
With everything from blown down trees to blown away homes. People here in Venice tell me this is some of the worst devastation they've seen in their lifetimes. And now they're just looking for a way to rebuild.
I never thought I'd see the destruction that I saw when I drove through here last night.
I couldn't wait for it to end. I couldn't, we never thought it would be like this.
You could feel everything just shaking. We kept watching everybody's houses and watching things just fold like it was a piece of aluminum foil.
The sun's going to come up tomorrow morning, and we're all alive and we're all well. So it's going to be a good day. So, you take the good with the bad, and sometimes the good comes out on top.
One of the main issues we're hearing from people who live here is no cell phone service. They can't reach their loved ones to tell them that they're okay. And some people can't reach their neighbors to tell them they need to come home and check on their property. So right now, they are just trying to get their messages out. In Sarasota County, Miranda Parnell, 10 Tampa Bay.